This 2025 Venture RV Sonic SN190VRB is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Mifflintown, Pennsylvania, 17059 and is offered for sale by Juniata Valley RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This new Venture RV is 23 feet 3 inches in length and features a Blake interior, sleeps 4, external shower, microwave, TV antenna, TV, carbon monoxide detector, stovetop burner, water heater, leveling jacks, air conditioning, auxiliary battery, and 36 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom, mid-kitchen, Murphy bed. The unloaded weight of this 2025 Venture RV Sonic SN190VRB is 4,000 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Juniata Valley RV.